Hey there. Okay, so let's visit the social media platform considered the most professional, most serious of them all, and that would be LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a top choice for business people, executives, directors, basically anyone looking to network and find a job. And it's definitely not really a social platform where you can post pictures of your cat, but it's much more of a professional social media platform where you're meant to be on your best behavior. So I'm on the regular LinkedIn homepage, and I'm just going to go under Profile, Edit Profile. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to once again use my video business card, and I'm going to see how I can spruce up my LinkedIn profile by adding that in there. Now, I'm actually doing a number of things at the moment, so I don't believe that if I put in my video business card that it's going to show up at the top, because I'm doing other things with the University for Peace, the American University of Rome. But here, where it says freelance artist, independent educator, online and offline, and author, here I could add my video. So here I am, and I'm just going to click on video. Okay, so I've clicked on video, and it's asking me which position I want to add this to. Now, before I do anything, just keep in mind that you have a setting up here that wants to know if you want to notify your network. I have hundreds of people connected to my LinkedIn, but I don't necessarily want to broadcast my video business card to everyone at this time. I'm only really putting it there for anyone who's visiting my profile. So I get maybe 5 people a day, roughly, looking at my LinkedIn profile. People are really interested in what I do, etc., etc. So I'm going to turn this off so it doesn't publish an update to my network. And then over here, it's asking what is my link for my video business card. Now here, supported providers. Okay, so supported providers for video would be YouTube, Vimeo, Hulu, Ustream, and Brightcove. So I already have my video business card on YouTube. So why don't I go there and just grab my link, because I can't even remember what it is. So here's my YouTube channel, and here's my video business card. And now I can just go down here under share and grab the link. So I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to LinkedIn, and I'm going to post it in right there. Continue. Oh, gorgeous. And, let's see. So it actually pulls up the title and description from YouTube automatically. Okay, that's fine. Let's keep that. So add to profile, thankfully won't update my network. I also prefer to turn this off because sometimes I like to make little edits and I'm not ready to publish until I've seen it and I'm happy with it. So that's another good reason to perhaps turn this off until you are sure. Okay, add to profile. All right, and there it is. Now let's see how it looks. So yeah, it's there, and I think this is just to edit. So what I will do, just to preview this, is let's see, view profile as. Okay, so let's see, view profile as. Okay, so this is what my profile looks like to connections. So if I scroll down, ta-da! Oh boy, here we go. Hi, my name is Kristen Polana. Okay, it works and it's live on my LinkedIn profile. All right, I'll keep it. Unless anyone actively throws tomatoes at me, I think it's okay for now. All right, so anyway, I hope this lesson was helpful and see you in the next lesson. Ciao, ciao.